Hey grill enthusiasts, today we are diving into the Char-Broil registered trademark symbol Pro Series trademark symbol with Amplifire trademark symbol technology 3-burner propane gas grill and griddle cabinet. This versatile backyard powerhouse lets you switch from classic grilling to a flat-top griddle and even charcoal grilling with the optional gas to coal tray in under 90 seconds. It's built for weekend barbecues, family cookouts, and anyone who loves multitasking over an open flame. Key features and specifications. This grill packs a modular cooking system for fast mode changes, heats up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in under 10 minutes, and sports porcelain-coated cast iron grates for perfect sear marks. The 274 SQ in cold-rolled steel griddle includes a grease strip slot and hanging legs. You get 412 SQ in of primary cooking area, a 160 SQ in warming rack, and a 25,500 BTU output. An oversized side shelf, 2 8 wheels plus 2 locking casters, and a robust enclosed cabinet round out the package. Char-Broil backs it with a 10-year burner warranty, 3-year firebox, and 1-year parts coverage. Price. You can snag this grill for around $599, which is competitive given its modular design and solid warranty. Pros and cons. Pros: rapid heat up, easy clean grates, versatile cooking modes, generous cooking area, sturdy wheels, long warranty. Cons: assembly can take a couple of hours. Charcoal tray sold separately. Cabinet doors feel a bit flimsy. Customer reviews summary. With an average rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from 93 reviews, users praise the even heating from Amplifier trademark symbol technology, the smooth griddle performance, and the overall build quality. Some note minor issues with assembly instructions and wish the charcoal tray were included in the base package. Should you buy it or not? If you want a multifunctional, durable grill-griddle combo for weekend feasts and backyard parties, this Char-Broil Pro Series model is a solid pick. Its rapid heat up, versatile cooking options, and hefty warranty make it worth the investment. Just be ready to tackle assembly and consider budgeting extra for the charcoal tray if you love that smoky flavor.